morning everybody, welcome back to the channel, Motorhome in Fun. We're currently on day 4 of our trip to Hurn Lane in Somerset, and that lovely morning. It's about 6:30 at the moment, so we're just taking Skye on our first walk of the day, which is just normally a campsite walk. And that, so the campsite is completely full this weekend now. There's just some grass pitches which aren't open, and that the grass is too wet and that. So plans for today, as I say, pretty similar to yesterday and the day before. We're still taking it easy with Skye at the moment, but we're going to head on the beach towards Burnham on sea again. And I believe if we went a little bit further yesterday, we would have come to the old wooden lighthouse on the beach. So that's what I think we're going to do today. We're going to walk to there this morning, throw in a little bit of beach action for Skye with the ball, etc., and hopefully make some sort of vlog by the end of the day. So we'll see you after breakfast, guys. Right, back again guys. I thought while we're on our walk this morning, we'll just have a little walk and show you how full the campsite is. It's very busy, evenings, noisy, kids riding the bikes, etc. But I think luckily this weekend we got a service pitch, and it's right at the other end of the site. Almost like a little separate area and that. So there's 12 service pitches, and or 15, and we seem to have that end to ourselves, and it seems to be an area with no kids or anything. So I think we're struck lucky on that bit this weekend and that. But as I say, it is very busy. It is school holidays and all that. Normally I don't like to come away when it's school holidays and that, so it's a bit quieter. So as you see, Skye's taking me where she wants to go, so we're just following the road around the site and that. It's a nice site, don't get me wrong guys, and all that, but at the moment I'm thinking I won't come back again. It's in your motorhome, you're a little bit restricted to what you can do unless you've got bikes or use public transport. Everywhere is in, a long way walking. Brean down is a good 4 miles away, possibly 4 miles back. And if you want to go over to the fort, you got another mile and a half. So you're talking 12-mile round trip, and the round trip to Burnham on Sea, you're talking 8 miles, because you've got to go to the beach, through on the beach, because there's no public footpaths on some of the sections of the road, so you're dicing with death. So, but as I say, it's a lovely morning. The sun's out, sun's rising. It's our last full day. Tomorrow we won't do no vlogging. We like to set off early in the morning, so we shall probably leave by 8 o'clock in the morning, and we got a good 3-hour drive back home, ready for work again on Tuesday. So there you go guys, a little bit of a site tour, site walk on Sunday morning. As I say, it's only about 6:30, nobody else is up, so we'll see you all after breakfast again. Right, subscribers, I just thought I'd just say what we're having for breakfast this morning. And today we're going to have scrambled egg on toast and that. We've got the coffee pot there for freshly brewed coffee. We've also got some fresh orange and my daily tablets. So we're gonna enjoy this breakfast guys, and then get back out on the beach. Skye's going to have her breakfast as well, if she can be bothered this morning. Sometimes she leaves it for 2 or 3 hours before she's ready, and that, which is unusual for a spaniel, and that. But hey ho, we're all different, and that. So yeah, going to enjoy the breakfast and get back out and shoot some video for you guys. So we'll see you shortly. There you go, everybody. Breakfast is served. We'll have the coffee soon after the scrambled eggs and fresh orange, but yeah, we're going to enjoy this and then get back out for you all. So Skye's having a little kip at the moment. Are you going to say hello, Skye, to the subscribers? No? There you go, guys, my little Skye. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We're just on the way back down to the beach now. We're going to have a little playtime with Skye and that, and then we're going to head in the direction of Burnham on Sea and see if we can find this old lighthouse. Right, we're at the beach. First thing I can see is the tide. The sea is well in this morning, so we're going to take a left here. We'll just stop briefly and just pan around. This is the closest I've seen the sea since we've been here.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. Trying to make this darkness go away.
There you go, one happy girl.
I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today, and I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke, and I will try to fix what has been broken, and take this weight off my shoulders, cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken, and I'll let my mind be carried by the waves. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings just like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us. If we just hold on tight, this vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore. 7 years now on this boat, and we all know where we belong. Just wait. For our home to show on the horizon, soon we'll be there. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us. If we just hold on tight, this vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore, when we can't read the sky. We just sail with the wind that we've got, and when we're drowning in doubt, just keep on believing. We are dreamers of the
Ian and Skye.
shore.
Tours. Right, so we're still heading towards Burnham on Sea. Just trying to find this lighthouse. When we get there, can't see it in the distance yet, so I'm guessing it's still a mile or so away. Excuse me bending down, I keep picking the ball up for Skye. So we'll keep walking, get a bit closer. Anyway, subscribers, just like to thank you for possibly watching the last 3 vlogs and that. Hope you've enjoyed them in some way. As I say, we haven't been doing too much. This is more about Skye's rehabilitation and that, just trying to step it up for a daily now and that, because we're literally just 2.5 weeks in from her surgery. She's still on medication, antibiotics at the moment, and still obviously treating the abscess which was inside her. So yeah, please subscribe, like, comment, maybe what you'd like to see more of in future vlogs. As I say, we're going to Pinewoods, Wales, next to sea, over the next bank holiday and that. So if there's anything you'd like me to film or show you while I'm there, we'll try and fit that in. Right, we're getting closer to this wooden structure lighthouse. It just in the distance, about 10 minutes away, so I think we've achieved our goal for today of getting here. Burnham on Sea is in the distance as well, so we might go there, we might not, guys. We might just turn back and head back along the beach, so we'll get a bit closer and see what this lighthouse is all about. Right, as you can see, we're almost there. We're in striking distance now. From the site, guys, this has been just under 3 miles, so not too bad. So if we turn around now, we had a nice 6-mile walk this morning, which I don't think is too bad. Burnham is still probably a good 3/4 of a mile in the distance. But there you go, guys. Wooden structure lighthouse. Anyway, I think that was well worth the walk. Skye, darling, go and get your ball. So, Burnham on Sea, in the distance still, but I think we're going to turn around again now, head back, and we got a nice little 3-mile walk back for 11s.
Are too big. Can I get some comfort, please? I guess I should have been honest. It breaks in my heart. It's weighing me down, baby. I'm like a river that's overflowed. The sooner you know it, the less do we hurt. Let me speak the truth. I know you don't wanna face it. You think it's too late, but I can see past the rain. Won't you lay it on me? Turn the page and burn it. Let's make up a big bonfire on the beach with the stars as our lighters, and throw our problems in the flames. Throw our problems in the flames. We fell down to the bottom, so bottom up please. We're gonna get over this. I see the smoke in the mirrors. I'm holding the key, one step away from salvation. You're like the ocean, setting me free. Out in the open, I'm picking up speed. No bad thoughts penetrate. Hold me like this is the first time. Our destiny calls, not leaving this incomplete. Won't you lay it on me? Turn the page and burn it. Let's make up a big bonfire on the beach with the stars as our lighters, and throw our problems in the flames. Throw our problems in the flames, and throw our problems in the flames. Ooh, throw our problems in the flames. I get a little bit breathless, my thoughts are too big. Can I get some comfort, please?
Right, welcome back everybody. We're just going down to the beach for one last time on this current trip. So we're not going to film too much this afternoon. Right, as you can see it's quite busy. A few cars on the beach. £6 a day parking for anybody who's interested. Motorhomes allowed. So we're going to head to the right towards Brean down. Just walk a mile or so, then back. As I say, we're not going to do much filming. Right. It's a little bit clearer, the skies today. We can see right across the water to Wales. I think we've got Cardiff Bay directly in front of us. You got some sort of island in the middle there. Not too sure what that is. So we're gonna, as I say, walk along here and then come back on ourselves when we've had enough. Windy this afternoon, guys, so sorry about any noise filming and that, so I'll try and quieten that down in the editing. But just got to say a big thank you to everybody who's watched the current vlogs from Hurn Lane. time round. Hopefully next time we're out, which is in about 11-12 days time, as I say, we're off to Pinewoods in Norfolk, and the intention is to do a little bit more. We've got the lovely town of Wells next to the sea. We've got all the lovely long beaches, a bit like this. We've got the lovely Pinewoods forest to walk in. We can walk up to Holcombe Hall, have a walk around the grounds. So yeah, lots to do. As I say, we should be able to amuse ourselves for 5 days there. So as I say, we're there for my birthday as well. So we should do a bit of filming most days. And that's just like to say thanks again for watching. Please subscribe, comment and like, and we'll see you all